What is up, guys? My name is Jackson, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix an issue where only the host of your Minecraft Bedrock Edition server is the only person that can join. So the first thing you want to do is go to minecraft.net, go to the menu, click trial and download, and this is where you can download the server. Obviously you need the server. So you scroll down a bit, you'll see download Minecraft server software. It's next to the Java edition. This is for the Bedrock edition, and as you can see it's free. Click get it here, and as you can see, if you've got Windows, you just press I agree and then press download. If you've got Ubuntu, you just click this and press download. I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to download it again. Then you can close out of this. So what I'm going to do is, because I've got my server running, I'm going to stop it just by typing stop. And the first issue that most people have is their firewalls blocking the connection. So you go into control panel, make sure your view is in large icons, not category, large icons, and then click down the bottom Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that, and then you want to click allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. Click that, then as you can see, press change settings and you can change everything. And if you scroll down a bit here, I've got mine right here. I've actually got two of them, but that doesn't matter. So what you want to do is click allow another app, press browse, and wherever your server is located, which mine is in C drive right here, you just want to click on it and press open. It won't be in the same location as wherever you've saved it, and then you want to click open. I've already got it, and then you want to make sure that both private and public is selected next to the server. So I've got multiple, so I've just made sure I've got them all checked, so then the firewall's not blocking it. Now I was having a problem where I was still not able to connect from other networks. So what you want to do next is go to your browser and go to your internet gateway. I'm with IINet, so it's 10.1.1.1. It'll be different for every other internet provider, but it's pretty similar. So you want to go to the port forwarding, which in this case it's under WAN services, which is wide area network. You want to click the gears, or wherever yours is, you go into port forwarding. And then as you can see, I've got 4. You probably don't need to add all of these, but I did just in case, just to make sure that it works. So if you want, you can copy all these down, just pause the video. But in this case, I just press add new port mapping, and then I can choose a name, the protocol, so TCP, UDP, or both. I did one for each, so one TCP, one UDP, and then I directed that to my port, which you are going to have to make it a dynamic port. So basically your computer has an IP address, and what the port forwarding does is it sends any incoming connections from this port to this IP address. You're probably going to have a static IP address or a dynamic one, can't remember which one it is, but you're going to have to set it to one specific one. So what you want to do, go back into control panel, click the all control panel items, and then click network and sharing center. And then you want to go change adapter settings. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, but if you're connected to Ethernet, you just do the same thing. So right click, press properties, and then you look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then press properties. Now here it will be on obtain an IP address automatically. You want to click use the following IP address, and then you want to so your gateway, which you should know, depends on what router you have. Mine's 10.1.1.1. I have to make my IP address 10.1.1. something. So I've chosen this number here. You can choose whatever number as long as it's not the same as any of the other devices. And then the subnet mask, you just click on there and it should automatically add it. And then for the DNS server, you can add your own, but I just choose the Google one because it's really reliable. So it's 8.8.8.8, and then the alternative is 8.8.4.4. And then you just press OK, and then close. You might lose internet for a second, but it will come back eventually. So after this, you want to go into here, and then you want to add a port forwarding, name it whatever you want. And all you really need to do is put the WAN and LAN, so 191.32, and then the same for here, 191.32, and then that's basically telling your computer or your internet what ports it allows through. And then you put in your IP address here, which is the one we set earlier, and then I would recommend doing one for both, so one for TCP, one for UDP. You can make one for both if you want, but I just think this is easier to keep track of, and I think it works a bit better. I'm not sure, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to click save. I'm going to click cancel because I've already got them, and then close. Now, one of the most important things you have to do, and I was amazed how simple it was, but the router was still blocking the connections even though I had the port forwarding thing set up. You have to restart your router. It is so important. Basically, I found one article out of however many I read, and only one of them told you have to restart your router for port forwarding to take effect. You might already know this, I didn't, but I'm making this video so I can teach everyone that doesn't know that they have to. And then once I restarted my router, everything was working, I could connect, and then once I open up the server, it starts up, and then what you want to do next, connect from a different device, make sure this is started up, but what you want to do is make a new browser tab and type, what is my IP? Press enter, and then your public IP address will show up. I'm going to block it out because I don't want anyone connecting to my IP address. But what you want to do is copy this and then go into Minecraft on your friend's device or whatever. Click servers, add server, put in a random name, doesn't matter. Put in the address, that one that you just copied, and keep the port the same. Click save, and then you should be able to join. As you can see, mine's here because it's on my local Wi-Fi. So that is pretty much it. That is how you fix the issue, or in my case anyway, it might be different for you, but this is what fixed it for me. So this is how you can fix no other internet connections are able to join your server. So basically only the host can join. This is how you enable everyone else to join. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.